Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to get API keys for pretty much any Google product, and this is going to be through the cloud Google platform. So I'll show you how to get there. So first off, go ahead over to Google, type in Google Cloud Console, and it's the top one there. If you're already signed in, that's cool. You can sign in with Gmail as well. You go to Console here. In here, you'll see API keys right here. It's one of the quick access accounts. If it's not there, there is a hamburger menu here, and you'll see it here as well. So go over to Library, API Key Library. Now this is where where you can get access to any API key. So for example, if you wanted calendar, you would go to Google API Calendar. I'm pretty sure I have this installed already, so I'll find one that I don't have installed. Let's say we wanted business profile, my business information API, and all you do is enable. Then you want to go to your credentials here, and you'll see all the keys I have here. Keep these safe as well. Add API key. There we are. Press OK. And applications, none. Unless you want any restrictions, you can create restrictions, but I wouldn't. Leave it open and press create. And there you have it right there. Keep this safe. I'm going to actually delete this one again as well because I don't want, and you can show the key here. Not that it matters if you forgot, and you can copy it. A lot of the times they don't let you show the key after it's created, but I'm going to delete, and that's it. That's how simple it is.